Welcome back to Vchannel. Today I will show you how to fix the error. The video file cannot be opened. For example, there are cases. We're shooting with a camcorder, with a drone camera, by dash camera, and so on. Sometimes it's a mistake like this. We don't open it. This is the error file, guys. Hey, 225. Here it's open, here it runs through to 6, it can't be opened. Copy to show you. Copy the file separately, you to 0.79 gigabits. It can't be opened. You see the hips. I tried opening it with another program. Failed to open, error message. All the programs can't open themselves. Import it to the Premiere. Error message cannot be imported. It's really horrible like this. We're going to lose the videos. If it's important, it's a pity. Or in the case of services that you do, it's broken like this. Say hello to customers. There are moments that have passed, then it's impossible to get it back. I found out there are many ways. The first way is that I use VLC software in my media. Select convert or save. You add the file. Then click Convert or Save. This combo box is MBG. Select the destination where the file is stored. Well, I chose it here. Press Start and it starts to convert. However, in some cases it can be fixed. In some cases, such as myself, I am currently filming with a drone. It can't fix the file it created. Byte this way cannot be used. You can try it. In your case, if there is a slight error, it can be used this way to fix it. Unfortunately, in my case, no. I'll have to use it in a different way. This way I find it extremely effective, and it has one trick, so we can use this software for free. Although this software is paid software. First of all, you search for Repair Tune Row, or you go to the link in the description. I have to. This is the software we need. After downloading, we get this file. We extract raw. I open this file up. And it's going to ask us to choose English as our language. Or Chinese. Sorry, I don't know Chinese. I will choose English. Here you see, we're using a demo. Trial version. It's only fixing 50% of our file. You can buy it to support the author. This is really great software. However, if you want to use it for free, we can use the trick later. We press the checkbox. This is the software interface. The trick is as follows. It only handles half of our files. The idea here is that we're going to double down. That file has doubled in length. Then it will work on this new file. Then we'll get 50% of the file doubled. That's all the files we need. How to do it as follows. You will go to SIMD. This is my faulty file. I'll rename it. Let's make it simple. The next one I will copy this file into another file. Copy to duplicate this file. Let's change it to number 2. And now I'm going to give you a command. Go to the path that contains the file. This is the root of the D drive. Copy B. I will type a name MB for plus to megabytes for. It's starting to merge these two files into a complete stack. You see our file here. The capacity has been doubled. That's the files number 1, number 2, and it's put together. This file number 1, this file we've been duplicating. And then we're going to put it in the software, and we're going to click on the movie file here. Next we will click on Choose Reference Movie. In this step we will select a file. It was shot with the wrong device. But this file is a normal file. Its purpose is that it will use this file to compare reference with the wrong file again. Then it analyzes to find the fault. We will choose here. I will select the folder with the drone itself. I open it here to try it. This file runs normally. I'll use it as a reference file. Open, we will press the scan button. It's starting to compare to find fault. Inventory completed. You will see the output folder. It will create a folder. The file has been repaired. Here. Repair. Let's try it. Capacity is to spreads 8 GB. Great inventory file we have been saved. I imported it into the Premiere. Import is completely normal. Great, thank you for following the clip. I wish you success. If the clip is helpful, don't forget to like to support the spirit. Share with friends or people who are experiencing this error. Hello, and see you later.